5 biggest passive income mistakes and how to avoid them. You've spent months building your passive income stream, dreaming of financial freedom, but instead of rolling in dough, you're scratching your head, wondering where you went wrong. But what if there's a way to avoid these common pitfalls and finally achieve the financial freedom you deserve? In this video, we're diving deep into the 5 biggest passive income mistakes that could be sabotaging your success. And we're not just pointing out the problems, we're offering actionable solutions to help you build a truly sustainable passive income stream. We're pulling back the curtain on the passive income world to reveal the hidden traps that catch even the savviest entrepreneurs. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover expert-backed strategies to sidestep these pitfalls, the surprising psychology behind why we make these mistakes, and a game-changing tip that could save your passive income empire. Ready to turn your passive income lemons into lemonade? Let's dive in. Before we jump in, if you're ready to bulletproof your passive income strategy, smash that subscribe button. It's like installing a financial safety net for your brain. Mistake 1. Expecting overnight success. Our first big mistake is the siren song of overnight success. It's the get-rich-quick mentality that can sink your passive income ship before it even leaves the harbor. Here's the reality check. According to a study published in the Journal of Small Business Management, it takes an average of 3 years for a new business to become profitable. Even Pat Flynn, the passive income guru, took 1-2 years of consistent work before seeing significant results, as he shared in his book, Will It Fly? A cautionary tale. John, a budding entrepreneur, invested his life savings into a dropshipping business, expecting to make thousands in his first month. 6 months later, with barely any sales and mounting ad costs, he was forced to shut down. How to avoid this mistake? 1. Set realistic expectations and timelines. 2. Focus on consistent, sustainable growth rather than explosive success. 3. Celebrate small wins along the way. 4. Have a financial cushion to weather the initial slow period. Imagine if instead of expecting to summit Everest on your first hike, you focused on enjoying the journey and building your strength day by day. That's the mindset you need for passive income success. But wait, there's more. If you're finding this eye-opening, give the video a thumbs up. It helps more aspiring entrepreneurs avoid these costly mistakes. Mistake 2. Neglecting market research. Our second passive income pitfall is jumping into a niche without proper market research. It's like trying to sell ice to Eskimos. Not impossible, but an uphill battle. Here's the scoop. A CB Insight study found that 42% of startups fail due to lack of market need for their product or service. On the flip side, businesses that conduct market research grow 70% faster than those that don't, according to a study by Compass. A business counterpart spent months creating a comprehensive digital course on vegan baking, only to find out that her target audience preferred free YouTube tutorials over paid courses. How to avoid this mistake? 1. Conduct thorough market research before investing time and money. 2. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, or social media listening to gauge interest. 3. Create a minimum viable product, MVP, to test the market before going all in. 4. Continuously gather feedback and adapt your offering. Now, I know what you're thinking, but market research sounds boring and time-consuming. Here's the thing. It's far less boring and time-consuming than pouring your heart and soul into a project that's doomed from the start. And just when you thought it couldn't get any more crucial. Mistake 3. Underestimating the initial work required. Our third mistake is a classic, underestimating the amount of work required to set up a truly passive income stream. Remember, passive doesn't mean no effort. Let's break it down. A survey by Bankrate found that 65% of successful passive income earners spend at least 5 hours per week maintaining their income streams. Even passive real estate investing requires an average of 3 to 5 hours per week for property management, according to a report by BiggerPockets. My friend Mike thought he could set up a few affiliate marketing websites and watch the money roll in. 3 months and countless sleepless nights later, he realized that creating quality content, SEO optimization, and relationship building with affiliates was far more work than he'd bargained for. How to avoid this mistake? 1. Acknowledge that passive income requires significant upfront work. 2. Create a realistic schedule that accounts for setup and maintenance time. 3. Consider outsourcing tasks that aren't in your wheelhouse. 4. Focus on systems and automation to reduce ongoing workload. Think of passive income like planting a tree. You need to dig the hole, plant the seed, water it regularly, and protect it from pests. Only then, years later, can you enjoy the shade and fruit it provides. But we're not done yet. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to build a passive income empire that stands the test of time. Mistake 4. Putting all your eggs in one basket. Our fourth passive income mistake is a classic investing blunder: lack of diversification. It's tempting to go all in on one promising idea, but that's a recipe for financial heartbreak. Here's the data. A study published in the Journal of Financial Planning found that millionaires have an average of 7 income streams. According to a report by Fundera, businesses with multiple revenue streams have a 10% higher survival rate than those relying on a single stream. A schoolmate, Tom, built a thriving Amazon FBA business selling fitness equipment. When Amazon suddenly changed its algorithm, his sales plummeted overnight, leaving him scrambling to make ends meet. Now, how do you avoid this mistake? 1. Diversify your passive income streams across different platforms and niches. 2. Start small with multiple ideas and scale the ones that show promise. 3. Consider a mix of high risk, high reward, and low risk, steady income streams. 4. Regularly assess and rebalance your passive income portfolio. What if instead of putting all your hopes on one golden goose, you had a whole flock of geese laying silver eggs? That's the power of diversification. And now for our final mistake. Mistake 5. Ignoring legal and tax implications. Our last, but certainly not least, passive income mistake is turning a blind eye to legal and tax implications. It's not the sexiest topic, but ignoring it can turn your passive income dream into a nightmare. Let's look at the facts. According to a report by the Government Accountability Office, about 25% of taxpayers who should be paying self-employment taxes on their gig economy income aren't doing so, risking penalties and back taxes. A survey by Small Business Trends found that 23% of small business owners spend over 120 hours annually dealing with federal taxes alone. A cautionary tale. Lisa's print-on-demand t-shirt business was booming until she received a hefty fine for unknowingly using copyrighted designs. On top of that, she faced a large tax bill for income she hadn't properly reported. How to avoid this mistake? 1. Consult with a tax professional or accountant familiar with passive income streams. 2. Keep meticulous records of all income and expenses. 3. Set aside a portion of your earnings for taxes, typically 25–30%. 4. Stay informed about copyright laws, licensing requirements, and other legal aspects of your chosen passive income stream. Remember when you were a kid and thought being an adult meant doing whatever you want? Well, dealing with taxes and legal stuff is the passive income equivalent of eating your vegetables. Not fun, but necessary for a healthy financial life. Now, before we wrap up, here's that game-changing tip I promised. Are you ready for the secret weapon that can help you avoid all these mistakes? Here it is. Find a mentor or join a community of like-minded passive income entrepreneurs. A study by UPS found that 70% of small businesses that receive mentoring survive for 5 years or more, double the survival rate of non-mentored businesses. Platforms like Clarity.fm, Score, or even LinkedIn can connect you with experienced mentors in your chosen passive income niche. Mind blown, right? Now let's do a quick recap of the 5 biggest passive income mistakes and how to avoid them. 1. Expecting overnight success. Set realistic expectations and focus on consistent growth. 2. Neglecting market research. Do your homework before investing time and money. 3. Underestimating initial work. Acknowledge the upfront effort and create systems for long-term success. 4. Putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your passive income streams. 5. Ignoring legal and tax implications. Stay informed and seek professional advice. And remember our bonus tip. Find a mentor or community to guide you on your passive income journey. If this video has saved you from making a costly passive income mistake, smash that like button. It helps more aspiring entrepreneurs like you find this crucial information. Now I'm curious, which of these mistakes have you encountered or narrowly avoided? Let me know in the comments. Want more content like this? I've got 2 videos lined up, and you get to choose which one I make next. 1. How to create a passive income safety net, protecting your financial future. 2. The psychology of passive income, mindset shifts for long-term success. Vote in the comments, and the most popular choice will be my next video. In the meantime, why not check out my video on 5 passive income ideas you can start with less than 100. It's the perfect complement to the strategies we've discussed today. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the world of passive income, mistakes are just stepping stones to success. Learn from them and keep moving forward. See you in the next one.